So 90% of people who enter the stock market is to make quick money, but the richest investor in the world did the exact opposite. And that is why most people struggle while a few build the real wealth. So every time you open YouTube, you see multi-bagger, intraday profit, make big stock, and slowly your mindset shifts. You stop thinking like an investor and start behaving like a gambler. So why this happen? It happens because we are taught to focus on price, not value. We look at the charts, movements, quick profits, but we never ask, what am I actually doing here? So let's break down some of the key rules which has been followed by the greatest investor of all time, that is Warren Buffett, which most people hear but they rarely follow. So the rule number one, don't lose money. Warren Buffett says that the rule number one is never lose your money. And the rule number two is never forget the rule number one. But what does this actually mean? It doesn't mean you will never have losses. It means protect your capital first. It's because if you lose 50% of your capital, you need another 100% return just to recover what you have lost. So that brings to the rule number two. Think like a business owner. So when you invest, you are not buying a stock. You are becoming a part of the business. You are buying a business. But most people don't think like that. They think price like they think like that price ऊपर जाएगा क्या? But what Warren Buffett thinks like, is this a good business over time? So they are always thinking in the future perspective. So that brings to the rule number three is ignore market noise. So market is full of opinions, news, predictions, panic, excitement, and many more. But Warren Buffett follow one simple idea, and the idea is market is there to serve you, not to guide you. So instead of reacting, he stays calm during the market. So the rule number four is margin of safety. So in simple mean, this comes from the intelligent investor, like it is the book which has been written by Warren Buffett. It simply means that don't take unnecessary risk. So always leave room for mistakes. So you always have to have some room where you can make your mistakes. So don't be overconfident. So treat market as it is. Rule number five, the key rule, long-term thinking. One biggest strength is not intelligence, it's his patience. While others chase quick profits, he always focuses on years, not days. So I can say like think of it like buying a house. So whenever you buy a house, you are buying not because of the price it will increase tomorrow. You buy it because it has value over time. But when it comes to stock market, people completely behave the opposite. So they want quick returns and panic in short term. So how can you like apply this thinking? So let me bring down some of the steps we can practically use to apply this thinking. So step number one is to shift your mindset. So stop asking like which stock will go up. So many of the people they message sir which stock I need to buy and sell etc. Instead start asking what is my process. So that should be your first step. Like what is the process? Step two, focus on capital protection. Because thinking of profit, like before thinking the profit, you have to think like how much I can lose in this particular investment. So that is step number two. Step number three is reduce noise. Limit your random content consumption everywhere. Because more clarity, less confusion. Think in that perspective. Step number four is play a long-term game. Wealth is not built in days. It's built in by following a discipline for years to months. So Buffett didn't become rich by being fast. He became rich by being consistent in the market. So what are all the real lesson? Is to protect your capital, think like an owner, ignore the noise, and always stay patient. Simple ideas, right? But it's really difficult to follow, and that makes the difference. So tell me honestly, you can comment down in this particular video. Do you think like an investor or react like a trader? And if you want clarity, not confusion, subscribe to our channel because here we don't follow hype. We build understanding. And that is what is my mission. Thank you. Have a great day.